This is the Pebblebee Card Universal Bluetooth Finder. The three key things of this Bluetooth finder is that it's 1. Shaped like a card, making it great for being placed in a wallet, for example. 2. It works with either the Apple Find My network for iPhone users or Google's Find Hub network for Android users. And 3. It's rechargeable. If we look at the back, you'll see the key highlights of this Pebblebee card. 1. That it's rechargeable, it's water resistant, has a bright LED, has a loudspeaker, and as said earlier, it works with both iOS and Android. Let's go ahead and open the box. And here's the Pebblebee card. We also have its quick start guide. Let's take the card out of the tray and you can see how it is rather thin. On the back of the tray is the magnetic charging cable to USB-C. This connects to the Pebblebee card with the magnetic connectors on the back of the card. The main use case I see for this is for placing it in a wallet, and as you can see it has a similar size in width and height to a card. Though its thickness is a bit more than your standard card, it's probably the thickness of 2 or 3 cards. This size makes it fit quite well in a wallet. You could put it up front or behind in a wallet like this, for example, and it fits like any other card. And what I like is it doesn't add much thickness to the wallet. Now, let's try to connect this to my phone. I'm using an Android phone, so first thing is to go to the Google Play Store and make sure the Google Find Hub app is installed, which it is. Now, all I need to do is double press on the Pebblebee logo on the front of the card, and there should be this pop-up to connect to the Pebblebee card. Next, agree to the terms, and after a few seconds it should now be connected. I can now open the Find Hub app, and there's the Pebblebee card in my Find Hub app. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time.